Be honest. Does this ever happen to you? You're ready to speak English. You open your mouth and then your brain says, "No, not today." It's like going to the fridge to get food and then standing there like, "Wait, what did I want?" If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not alone. In this video, we'll talk about why you forget words when speaking English. And I'll give you fun and simple tips to fix it. Stay until the end because I'll also share a crazy but powerful daily exercise that works like magic. Part 1: Why we forget words. So, why do we forget words? Let's be real. It's not because you're bad at English. No. Reason number 1: stress. When you feel nervous, your brain goes on vacation. Native speakers do this too. Reason number 2: thinking too much. You're trying to remember grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and your brain says, "Sorry, too many tabs open." Reason number 3: not enough speaking practice. You studied the word, maybe wrote it down, but you never told your mouth to say it. So your brain remembers, but your tongue has no idea. And reason number 4: weak memory. Some words just need more repetition. It's normal. Memory is like a muscle. If you don't train it, it gets lazy. Part 2: how to fix it. Okay, enough problems. Let's fix it. Here are 5 tricks that really help. Number 1: paraphrasing. Fake it till you make it. Forget a word? No problem. Just explain it with simple words. For example, you forget fridge. Say, "the machine that keeps food cold." Boom, conversation continues. The other person will understand and you look confident. So I have a video about how we can improve our speaking with some techniques like paraphrasing. If you didn't watch, you can watch it here. Number 2: learn chunks, not just words. Don't study lonely words. Words get shy when they're alone. Study phrases. Instead of just hungry, learn I'm hungry. I'm not hungry right now. I'm so hungry. I could eat a horse. Okay, don't eat a horse, but you get the idea. When you learn chunks, your brain doesn't have to build sentences from zero. It just takes ready-made pieces. Number 3: active recall with your voice. Here's a secret. Reading is not learning. You need to pull the word out of your brain. So, take a card, look at the English word and say a sentence out loud. Don't look at the answer. Don't whisper. Really say it. Your brain is like, "Oh, we actually need this word. Okay, I'll keep it ready." Number 4: practice under stress. You forget words in real life because you feel nervous. So, train with a little pressure. Example: set a timer for 2 minutes. Talk not stop about your day. No stopping, no silence. Even if you don't know the word, explain it. At first, it's hard, but after a week, you'll be surprised. Words come faster and your brain panics less. Number 5, use images and gestures. Your brain loves pictures, so connect words with images or body movements. Say run while making a running motion. Say big while opening your arms wide. It feels silly, but silence says it works. And honestly, it makes practice way more fun. Part 3, exercise. Okay, ready for the magic trick? Here's a challenge. Every evening, record yourself for 4 minutes talking about your day. Rule number 1, don't stop. If you forget a word, describe it or paraphrase it. Rule number 2, listen later. Write down the words you missed, practice them the next day. Do this for 30 days and boom, you'll remember more words than you ever thought possible. Conclusion. So forgetting words when speaking English is normal. It happens because of stress, overthinking, lack of practice, or weak memory. But now you have 5 tricks: paraphrasing, learning chunks, active recall, stress practice, and using images, plus the bonus 30-day challenge. And remember, if your brain forgets words, your smile is the best word in any language. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.